Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit the product page in your Shopify debut theme. So first off, you want to start customizing your website. From the admin dashboard here, go to online store and then make sure you're on themes. And then click on customize here. I already have debut installed, so customize. In debut, the product page is not called a product page, but it's called catalog. So let's just click on catalog. And this is your products. This is your product page. If you want to edit it, you either just click on this or click on whatever elements you want to edit. And then you can see there's a lot of things here you can edit, like products per row, per grid, something like that. Enable sorting, enable blah, 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 blah. You can do a lot. And then the other method is by mainly doing it on the left-hand side here. Like you can add something to the footer by adding a block here. You can add a text like that. It'll appear here. If you want to edit the header, just click on that. You can edit the header, or if you want to add onto it, well, you can't really add onto it with the header, but you can edit the color or something like that. Though it won't show up here because I think it's because tied to the theme, so do keep in mind for that. If you want to add something else rather than the collection page, you can use this, add section. And then there's a lot of things here like slideshow, newsletter, video, blog post, custom content, gallery, image with text. I'm going to add in a collection list. So something like this. So that is how you edit the product page on the debut theme.